So this is the Buddha of 100 eyes and 1,000 hands, and I just bought a smaller version of it. They have some beautiful carvings here. All sorts of rainforest woods like teak and mahogany and rosewood. They also have ebony, which is obviously doesn't grow around here. They get it from Africa, I suppose. So yeah, all sorts of wonders in here. And the old guy that carves them is this guy over here. And he's actually the guy that carved the Buddha of 100 eyes and 1,000 hands I just bought. So he's an old master, 83 years old. So he's carving some sort of Chinese folk religion god there. So he was the one that carved my Buddha of 100 eyes and 1,000 hands that I just bought. He's a master carver. Yeah, so I just bought a miniature version of that, carved by that guy. Beautiful.